Good morning students. Today I am going to discuss about midpoint and its converse theorem. Okay. So what is the first theorem? Theorem says the line segment joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and it's equal to half of it. So what is given in this triangle ABC? Okay, so what it is saying, if two midpoints of side AB and AC, what are these two midpoints? AB midpoint is D and AC midpoint is E. If these two midpoints are joined by line segment DE, so what is given? Two things are given. Two midpoints of two sides of a triangle, when we join them, so what we conclude? We conclude that this DE will be half of third side, means BC, and half of it. Two things are given. Two midpoints of AB and AC are given. When we are joining DE, then we are concluding that DE is half of BC and parallel to it. Correct? So this is the midpoint theorem. This is the first theorem. And the second theorem is, see, the straight line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another, means one midpoint is given and DE is parallel. Okay, so what it is saying, parallel to another bisects the third side, means if midpoint D is given of side AB and DE is parallel to BC, then we can say E is a midpoint of AC. So this is a converse of midpoint theorem. Clear? So what is the difference? Again I am telling you, the first theorem is, if two midpoints are given, again I am telling you two things are given here. So if we are joining DE and D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC, then we can conclude that DE is parallel to BC and half of it, like this one. See, DE parallel to BC and DE is equal to half of BC. So, and what is the converse? In converse, see, D midpoint is given, DE is parallel to BC. Okay, then we can say E is a midpoint of AC, or we can say DE is bisecting the third side of AC. Correct? So these are the two midpoint theorems. Now you have to apply these in exercise. Exercise is there, exercise 12A. So I am sending you some solved problems. Okay, you do it. Go through the examples first and do it.